I'm going to show you how to check the mention history on Discord in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So this is very easy and it will allow you to see the history of whenever someone has mentioned you on a Discord server or a DM. So all you need to do is open Discord and go to the top right. Here you will see the inbox. You need to click it and you will see for you and reads and mentions. So you need to click on mentions and you will see the history of whenever someone has mentioned you, and you will see the Discord server where you have been mentioned and the text channel. You can also filter it to include or not include everyone mentions and role mentions. So this way, if you uncheck those options, you will only get notifications of whenever someone mentions you. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.